A tiny baby parrot named Pico lived in a cozy nest high on a mango tree. Curious and cheerful, Pico loved listening to the forest sounds, rustling leaves, buzzing bees, and the soft songs of other birds. One morning, he peeked over the nest's edge and saw the bright world below. Excited, he flapped his small wings, trying to fly. He wobbled, but his mother gently guided him. Day by day, Pico grew stronger and braver. Finally, with a joyful chirp, he soared into the sky, discovering the freedom and beauty of the forest he had always dreamed of.